Wow.
You have to send me a few pictures.
Okay, we're good. I'm making it. There we go. Yeah.
I'm gonna put a good background on it.
So what we did was we put. What'd you do, Harper?
Well, we just put ink on the lighter.
Mostly it wrecked the lighter, but eventually, after trying hard enough,
Started working.
this is amazing. You saw this on YouTube?
Yeah.
Now we're on YouTube doing the same thing.
Oh my gosh.
That's so weird, dude.
That's really cool. Wow.
I'm hoping that it'll burn off the stuff so I can use my lighter again. Like,
Well,
imagine,
that's not where the heat is. That's the problem.
And like only light it. Put okay.
Here, I'm gonna take a piece of paper just to show.
Oh, it's out. It's okay. Ah. Yeah, just see if we can.
See if the flame actually works.
Wait till it goes up. Okay.